Alright, we just got a box, and it's from Trinity Renewal Systems. We just cut it open. We haven't looked at it yet, but we ordered bonnets and PadCap Pro, so here's what it looks like when you get a box of bonnets from them. We're supposed to have 10 microfibers and 10 pad pads. I gotta set these to the side.
You might have to set that box on the floor.
I may. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, just like they promised. So, exactly what we got ordered. Now let's see about the glad pads. Okay, 1.
You can make sure you wash these before you use them.
Yep, wash them up.
They're going to have some lint and
3,
stuff that comes off of them.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That one looks a little different. And 10. They do look different, don't they?
Yeah. Does it say glad on the tag?
It's a glad pad, but it's see how it's see how it's different. It don't have all the sun. Oh, and of course, last but not least, almost a gallon of PadCap Pro. So
alright.
That's a little package coming.
Well, pause it. We're going to stack all these up, everything nice and neat, so it looks good. That might make a good thumbnail image. So just a second, we'll stack everything up. You see how tall they are. Alright, there you go. There's 10 glad pads right there. And there's 10 microfibers. They're a little taller. And there's a gallon of PadCap Pro. Hope I'm not getting too close. Just a little action camera. I'll put a link in the video description. We've been telling people recently that we think it's a good idea you order 10 glads and 10 microfibers as a minimum to start out with, but we also recommend get 4 gallons of PadCap Pro. Basically it's a box of it. That way you got enough to work for a while. And we're trying to talk them into making what's going to be called like an Oreck Orbiter Startup Kit, which would be basically 10 of the glads, 10 microfibers, and 4 gallons of PadCap Pro. Prices can fluctuate, so I'm not going to tell you what these are right now. You need to call. I'll give you the contact person, and everything in the video description. Call them and get a price. And go ahead and order yours today. This is all great stuff. These are the best pads for the Oreck Orbiter.
Yeah, that's a mess of pads there, boy.
Yep. So, hope you guys enjoyed that. And get yours coming next. And then you can be unboxing yours too. We'll talk to you later. Bye.